Alright guys, today we are diving into something wild. We're checking out Rally 19, the best scenes of rallying with pure sound only. No music, no fluff, just raw engines, screeching tires, and pure adrenaline. If you're a car lover, buckle up because this is going to be insane. Let's see if rally racing is really as crazy as everyone says.
Okay, wow. Wow. Amazing. Let's go. Okay. But the scene. Oh, 1 million. Oh. Amazing. Okay. All is very amazing, guys. Like and subscribe now my channel and love for more videos. Cross. Okay. Oh. Wow. That is amazing, guys. Wow. Oh my god, very dangerous thing. You listen only sound, pure sound. Yeah. Amazing. Wow, that is so amazing. Wow. Love it, I love it. Also, I love cars, and this sound is very amazing. And I interesting always on this sound. Of course, Roy. Yeah. What a crazy man, people. Ooh. Yeah. Amazing. Oh. Bad scene. Ooh. This is a very bad and good scene. Everyone like and subscribe now for more entertainment videos. I hope today I make a reaction show of only 5 minutes. Thank you for subscribing and like. Goodbye. See you next video.